Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a short one, but I wanted to inform you guys on how to download One UI 2.0, which is basically Android 10. Now this only works for the S10, the S10 Plus, and the S10e as of right now. This will be coming to the S9 family. I don't know about the S8 family, but for now this is what they have to offer. So as you see here, if I go to my settings right here, it shows that I'm using One UI version 2.0 and Android version 10. So after that, the setup is pretty simple. So you go to your app drawer. I'm going to search for it. What you want to look for is called the Samsung Members app. And now it shows up like this, right? And if you don't have it, you go to the Galaxy Store. You would launch it right here. And then you'd basically go to search and then search up Samsung Members. And now since I already have it, it's not going to be there. But yeah. So once you have Samsung Members installed, you want to go to Samsung Members. And it just, since I already did it, it won't show up again. Okay. But it will show up right here. Like under Samsung's rewards, it will show up a box. And in that box, it'll say sign up for One UI beta, One UI 2.0 beta. And you click register, and then after you click register, it'll just say like for you to accept a few things, and then underneath right here it'll say like super small, thank you for signing up for the beta. And you're like, well, where's the update? Well, now that you've signed up and registered, now your phone needs to know that you signed up and registered. So you want to go back to your settings, and then you want to go to, which is, where is it? Software updates. Sorry, I couldn't find it. And then once you do it, since I did it yesterday, I was up late doing it for fun. What you want to do is you click download and install after you've done that registering on the Samsung Members app. After you click download and install, it'll show up and start downloading the application, the update I mean, and then you just click install, and then it'll go reboot your phone into Android 10, which is One UI 2.0. I will be doing initial thoughts video on this beta update. Now keep in mind it's just a beta, so if it has bugs, that's normal. But overall, I really do enjoy this new update that they've added. Smoother animations. It just looks a lot cleaner and nicer. And I will be doing a fuller review of the Samsung One UI 2.0 beta later on in the future. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys are excited for in One UI 2.0. And if you did enjoy the video, it would mean a lot to me if you could like and subscribe for more content in the future. Other than that, that's it from me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.